Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. Gonna be making chili cheese potato wedges tonight for dinner. So I was gonna do fries and I thought, well, I should make my own fries, but I thought, well, if I make my own fries, I might as well make wedges, and yeah, let's get to work. Alright, I'm just gonna brown my ground beef in this and then move it over to a Dutch oven. Alright, we're getting a chili rolling. So I got some got a jar of salsa here. And I got some Rotel diced tomatoes. And a can of chili pinto beans. So I'm going to add some jalapeno to my chili, so. Alright, get this in a skillet. Alright, the water is boiling for my potatoes, so I need to get on that. There's a spot on here I wanted to cut off. I like to trim away all the ugly looking pieces. So I'm gonna parboil these, which means I'm gonna cook them and add them to boiling water. Yes, I'm using supportive cookware. So I'm gonna boil these and I'm gonna throw them in the oven after I cook them up. So. Get those going. Grease is all drained off. Get that in the chili. Gonna need chili powder and whatnot. Chili powder. And I got my favorite sloppy mama. And yeah, there we go. Potatoes are cooking. Alright, let's check these potatoes. They might be getting pretty close. Not quite. Really close though. I think I just broke one in half. Go ahead and drain these off camera. Get these put on a pan. Now they are going in the oven, but par cooking them should decrease the amount of time that it's going to take for them to cook, to bake. And I got them in a 450 degree oven. A little olive oil. Trader Joe's was closed today, so I couldn't go buy more sea salt. So I'm just going to use kosher salt. Hopefully that's not too much. And sprinkle on some sloppy mama. Turn my chili down to simmer. And I got some garlic here. Now the oven isn't quite hot enough, but that's fine because it will be shortly. It goes in, set the kitchen timer for 20 minutes, and we'll check them from there. Alright, let's get these fries out. Push it on about 29 minutes. They look good, they just lack color. I think I'm gonna do a plan B next time. So they're fully cooked, so let's dish them up. I'm going to top these with cheese before I put the chili on, so the hot chili will melt my cheese. I just got a little bit of pepper jack cheese here from the other day. And I got some nice Tillamook sharp cheddar cheese. Nice. We're gonna get some of this homemade chili all over it. Oh yeah. Alright. So here's how they look. Despite everything, they smell phenomenal. Now if you're wondering, well, where's the sour cream? Forgot to buy any. And for those of you probably thinking, it needs either chives or green onions, well, if you make this for yourself, go ahead and add it. Make sure I don't burn my mouth. Chili came out pretty good. Wow, that plate is hot. Of course. Well, for everything, they taste great. So, yeah, I'm gonna go sit down and eat dinner after I throw a little black pepper on it. And this concludes today's Cast Iron Wednesday. Don't forget to check the description for the playlist. And also last week's video will be on the end card. Have a great day. We'll catch you next week.